Mediterranean diet balance bowls are remarkable ways to pack a whole bunch of healthy goodness into one simple meal that has you covered for lunch or dinner. The inspiration for this one comes from Chef Nassim Ali Khani and her traditional Persian dish of lentils and rice, seasoned with layers and layers of warm flavors. Hola, I'm Caroline. Welcome to the channel where you can learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day, no matter where you live. So pull up a chair, grab a glass, and join me in my Mediterranean kitchen while we make an unforgettable meal seasoned with all the rich flavors of the Mediterranean.
We'll be spicing it up with cinnamon, turmeric, and saffron, and topping it off with sweet medjool dates and rich, crunchy onions and almonds. Making the spiced lentils is the first prep. Bring the water to a boil and add the lentils and the spices. Bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, and cover and cook. The lentils should be still a little firm but slightly plump. Drain and set aside. Now boil the water for the rice. I love to infuse the water with a bit of saffron, but this is purely an option. A mix of rices, including whole grain and basmati, makes a great flavorful blend for this dish. Add the lentils in with the rice and enough water to cover by about an inch. Then cover and cook on medium heat. Check it after 15 minutes. If it needs more time or liquid, add them before mixing in the chopped dates. Now cover and let it rest for another 5 minutes. The dates will become nice and soft, adding a wonderful sweet element to each bite. Now fluff it up and top it off. I like to serve it with more toppings and a big dollop of Greek yogurt.